It's the finale. The dough is done, the sauce is done. Let's build our masterpiece. Today we're going to be using the Monogram wall oven with a pizza stone set at 550 degrees. So you want to gently stretch your dough, don't roll it. You want those air bubbles for a light and airy crust. Spoon on that bright sauce, dot with fresh mozzarella, and attach some basil right on top. A little olive oil drizzle, and it's ready. This Monogram oven is a game changer. Convection roast at 550 degrees with high heat gives us a great temperature to cook at. I added in a pizza stone, and it mimics a true wood-fired oven. Look at that melt. That's what true dreams are made of. And that's it, Margherita pizza. Simple, fresh, unforgettable. Thanks for joining us.